Hey, I'm Vlad with GlobMarble, and I'm going to show you how to cast paving stones with concrete. I'm going to use 1 part cement, 2 parts sand, but if you want to make it really cheap, you can use 1 part cement, 2 parts sand, and 3 parts gravel. I'm also going to use superplasticizer, which makes me use less water and make the concrete a lot stronger. If you want to see the video on it, the link's in the description below. Also, I'm going to use oxide pigments, but I'm going to show you how to save money while doing it. Before casting any concrete, you have to use a release agent, and the best way to do it is with a non-aerosol sprayer. When you spray it, you can see this mist going over it. It's very, very fine. You're not going to get a fine mist like that with a regular sprayer. We're going to add all the dry materials first, but don't add the pigment yet, that's for later. Always put the sand in on the bottom, because cement sticks to those corners inside the bucket, and it's going to be a big hassle for you to work with if you do that. Don't forget the superplasticizer. Now I scoop up just a little bit of that concrete I mixed and add in the pigments. Now we take our pigmented concrete and pour it into the surface. Now I take that regular concrete and pour the rest with it. I just saved 2/3 the amount that I was going to use. Check this out, I think it's a really cool color pattern, and take a look at this. We used up only 1/3 of that pigment that we would have originally. Now, it's not a lot right now, but on large projects, every penny counts and you can save a lot of money. You made it this far, why not check out some of our other videos? Be sure to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.